Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy, I'm really pleased to meet you. Today we're going to be doing this super girly look using a new palette from Revolution Pro. It's the new Neutrals palette. If you'd like to know how I got the look, please stay tuned. This is the palette. It's very wild animal looking palette as we done last week, but this is the new Neutral Luxe eyeshadow palette. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got this part, this one here is a primer, an eye base. You've got mattes, you've got glitters, you've got shimmers. These are cruelty free and they're also vegan. So anybody who wants to buy a palette that is vegan and doesn't like to purchase anything that is not vegan, you're safe to do so. It's £12 for 18 shades, which I think is a really good price. So the first shade we're going into is this almost heather colour, which is called Calm. It's a lovely first shade. Right, I've built that up to the intensity I want. I think I'm going to go with Zoned, which is this very deep colour here. I'm just going to put that in my crease, just below what we've already put. This majestic colour here, it's the deep purple. So on my lid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one, which is called Hidden, and then over the top of it I'm going to put Jazz It Up. It's that colour there. That's your duo crown. That is beautiful. So I'm just going to play around with the two shades now. It's busting, as we'd say in the black country. So I've just put a little bit of black eyeliner on, and I've also tight lined it on the upper, rather than do the sort of liquid liner across the top. I don't want anything to take away the pinkness. It's just really, really pretty. So that's all I've done. So it's not too extreme. So now I'm going to do my base, but beforehand I want to just show you this. This is another one of the Revolution Pro new products. This is the new lightweight primer. They've got this one, and they've also got an under eye primer, so we'll be doing both today. So, well, it's white in appearance. Revolution Pro Under Eye Primer, a nudie colour in appearance. So that's quite a thick consistency, feels nice. Now, is this under eye or under eye, as in under eye shadow? I never even thought of that until just. So is it under eye for your bags, or is it under eye for your shadow? I need to read up before I start using these things, I think. Well, it's under eye today. Well, I was a little bit more longer than I anticipated because I've used this primer and I've used the Conceal and Define foundation, and I've just had to stop and message the Revolution because it's beautiful. It's by far the best primer I've ever used, and that's not me just saying it because I like Revolution. It is amazing. My skin don't usually look like this. I know it looks a bit white at the minute because you know what I'm like with my shades, but seriously, I don't get lost for words. I've always got something to say, as anybody who knows me knows. But wow, fantastic. Right, I'm taking the Revolution Pro. I'm all shook now. Seriously, I'm taking the Revolution Pro powder foundation now, just to add a little bit more colour to my face. Contour, I'm going to use the Pro HD Creme contour. Going to my Imogenation Holy Grail Highlight to the Moon palette for my bronzer, and I will use my normal, these two shades here, which are literally and Warrior. Can't even speak today. Vivid Bake Blush. This one I haven't used for a while. It's called Bang Bang You're Dead. I'm going back to my Imogenation palette, and I'm going to use, what am I using today? I think I'm going to use this one today. This one is called Angel Face. Mascara Revolution. Just going to add a coat of mascara. I love this look. I'm going to take the zoned colour, and I'm going to take the majestic colour as well. Colours as I possibly can to show you. So I'm going to add this colour here, which is called Glitz, and I'm going to add that to my inner corner and my brow bone. It is very pretty. We're going to go with the Hydrate Revolution fixing spray in Cookies and Cream because I liked it that much last time. Thought we'd have another go. I think there's 5 or 6 new shades in this series. I've brought this one here. The packaging again is stunning. This one is called Stripped. Now it's a little bit too light for me. Won't be wearing that today, but that's just to show you. It is really nice. Cream shade again. I will put it on screen what colour it is. And the price. I'm sure they're £3. And let me just, I've got a bit too much foundation on my lips. Let me just wipe that off. This is my finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you would like to, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you've liked it, give us a like. Until the next time, see you soon. Love you loads. Bye.